Hey guys, it's your brother Yassine here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a secret sauce if you want to make a lot of money on Fiverr. So first, let me tell you, I've been a Fiverr seller for over a year and a half and made close to $30,000. But the secret sauce, I just discovered it 3 months ago that put my sales to the roof. And I want to share it with you. So normally, probably you've never heard that before. It's as simple as it is, but very few people talk about it. So that secret sauce is to always have a consultation call in your gig, almost each and every single gig that you're offering. So the reason is when you have a consultation gig, you're just gonna price it at the minimum, which is $5. Because again, people on Fiverr, you cannot exchange numbers or take the conversation outside of the platform. So just to respect Fiverr's rules and avoid getting banned or anything like that, I would highly recommend that you get a consultation call as your basic package. And generally, I wouldn't even recommend that you get any other package out there because we don't want people to see any other price besides the $5 consultation call. So the first advantage of having consultation call for $5 is that it's going to increase your CTR, meaning click-through rate. In other words, whenever they're going to see, of course, you need a good thumbnail, a good cover of the gig, but whenever you have it and they see $5, starting at $5, they're going to click on it. Okay. Whenever they click on it, they're going to see consultation call. Trust me, you're going to get people coming to you and probably even ordering consultation calls with you without even talking to you first. And it happened to me so many times. And when you have people clicking more on the gig, Fiverr is gonna push you faster than the others. So you're gonna be on top of the list. You're gonna have a high ranked gig, right? And then you're gonna have a higher visibility. Higher visibility means even more clicks and more potential orders, right? And the third thing is that when you have more orders and more positive reviews, that equates to higher trust. And that's what I'm saying. When you talk on the phone with someone, you build generally a better connection with your prospect than just go in and just keep on writing to him or to her. And besides that, that's going to take a lot of time to write than it is to just go and talk to them. Because again, when you talk on the phone, you can transfer some things that you cannot do basically writing or emailing people. So for example, whenever you talk to that person, you can show positive energy. You can show that you're very energetic and people can connect with that. You can show that you're that you're genuine based on your tone. You can people, they can feel that confidence, right? That expertise when you're talking to them, when you're stressing words. And that's something that would never be possible if you're just writing to them. And again, trust me, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of time if you can just write. And the other advantage of just taking the call is that when people generally do pay $5 to talk to you, that means they're not cheap. That means they are ready to pay they're respecting your time. They're respecting your time to talk to you. They know that you're busy. They know that you don't have time, all of the time of the world, and just get free calls. So they respect it. They don't even question it, and they just come and pay for it. So these people, they're potentially like high ticket clients or mid ticket clients. And the other reason is that whenever you talk to them, you can very quickly upsell them. And I'm telling you that based on experience. Whenever you talk to them, you keep on talking. The beautiful thing about when you call in the client, when you're having a consultation call with your client, people start asking questions. You keep going back and forth, and then you can keep on upselling them, of course, on stuff that they will need. However, when I used to do it, just writing to them, they were overwhelmed. They would say, man, I'm confused. I don't understand this. Because like what I was doing first, I was just giving them the offer, then getting straight away to my extras. And then they were like, ooh, there's a lot. However, when you take it like one step at a time, and then you go to the upsells and you can explain them the benefit of each and every single, extra feature or whatever extra service that you're going to provide them, that's going to make more sense. So again, remember, always, whenever you start, and again, the last thing is that when you're talking to people, and again, that's my experience, I've never got less than 5 stars. Of course, like generally on Fiverr, I get, 97% of 5 stars based on, around 150 or 200 reviews, right? But when you get on a call, even if you're talking to the baddest person, I mean, the meanest person in the world, but if you're so nice, you're so kind, you taking time to talk to them, to explain to them each and every single step, come on, who would leave a negative review? The worst they can do is that they will leave no review at all. And guys, trust me, I started many times with $5 calls, and I converted those people to over $1,000. Just I closed them on over $1,000 orders. So make sure you start with a consultation call, right? And try at first, don't show your other prices, because again, if they see $5 and then they can see $300, $500 on your other packages, they can say, oh, you know what, I cannot afford that. However, if you talk to them and they see what you have to bring to the table, they will make sure they're gonna find this money to pay you. So, and again, based on my experience, if I had to compute all of these people that I talked to, I closed pretty much, it would be 85–90% of people have converted from a $5 call to a mid or higher ticket service that I provided them on Fiverr. And again, it's not just about just talking, and of course, now I don't have time to write a lot. I like to speak. That allows me to build a very good connection with my prospect and hopefully convert them into clients, and not just on Fiverr, anywhere. So I would highly recommend that you do that. And guys, tell me how it changed the game for you. And if you have any question regarding what I talked about, please leave it down below in the comments, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I hope you loved this video and you found it very helpful. Please share it with your beloved ones if you think they might find it helpful. And guys, up until then, keep crushing it. I love you. Have a wonderful night. Take care. Bye-bye.